made these ads entirely with AI and free plan, and premium brands are spending a lot of money to hire people who can create AI product ads. You can learn how to create amazing ads with AI and sell them to many brands and charge premium prices. This is exactly what we will learn in this video. This is Seedance 2.0 plus Claude free plan. It just changed the entire game for video marketing. Because right now, most brands have no idea this exists, which means you have a very short window to get in before everyone else does. In this video, I'm giving you everything: the actual ads, the exact prompts, and free method I used to make these prompts highly professional, and the categories that sells the fastest so you can start today and get paid. Here are the highest paying categories to make ads: cold drink, energy drink, sneakers, airline, tech, fashion, UGC, and perfume. Stay till the end to learn how to make these ads and sell them to brands. Let's get into it. Finally, this is how I made this cool drink ad using Claude free plan to generate the prompt and Seedance 2.0 model. I went to the Claude and asked make a fast-paced 12-second ad for a chilled cool drink glass bottle pulled from a fridge by a male model. He puts the bottle on table, open the cap, and he drinks the cold drink. His eyes close and suddenly the environment changed to a snowing room. And this is what the Claude gave me, the full improved prompt, which I directly copied, made it under 300 words, and pasted in the Seedance 2.0 model, and this is how I generated this amazing cool drink ad. You can copy this prompt and make ads as well. This is how I made this energy drink ad using Claude. I went to the Claude and asked a fast-paced, high-energy drink ad for an energy drink with text on scan written on the energy drink. 10-second fast cuts yet cinematic ad. Here you can see the Claude gave me the short breakdown for every single second. I copied this full prompt and pasted in the Seedance 2.0. And this is how I made this amazing energy drink ad. This is how to make sneaker ad, and you can sell it to brands using free Claude plan and Seedance 2.0. A 10-second text-to-video prompt for Seedance 2.0 fast cut commercial ad for a high-performance sneaker. And this is how, again, Claude gave me the short breakdown, and I copied this full prompt, pasted it in the Seedance 2.0. And this is how it gave me amazing sneaker ad, which you can sell to brands, reach out to brands and offer them that you can create ads using Seedance 2.0 in a fraction of cost. This is how I made this Emirates airline ad using the reference images and Claude plus Seedance 2.0. I asked the Claude to give me 15-second high energy fast cuts ad for a private jet, and logo appear in the end, as well as I will upload the reference images of the jet and logo in the Seedance 2.0. Give me the text to video prompt. This is the complete 15-second text to video prompt I used in Seedance 2.0, plus additionally I gave the reference images to Seedance 2.0, and it's how I created this airline ad for Emirates. This is how you can make fashion UGC ads, and how I made this ad of brown leather jacket. Brown man leather jacket, fast paced, high energy, 10-second text to video prompt for Seedance 2.0. I give the prompt to Claude, and this is how the Claude responded. It gave me the proper shot breakdown for each second, and when I click on the full prompt, this is where you can copy this full prompt and go to the Seedance website and paste it here. This is how I made this fashion UGC ad for leather jacket. You can reach out to brands and offer your services and show them that you are capable of creating amazing ads for their products, and they will definitely reach out to you back. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video, subscribe, and comment. Tell me which ad was your favorite. And liking this video and subscribing gives me a lot of motivation to make amazing Seedance 2.0 and other AI video for you guys. See you in the next video.